early for Christmas tree. I'm like, well, when do you possibly do it?
12:01 after Thanksgiving. The moment that the leftovers
right?
are put away.
That's the time for the tree.
La 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 la.
Now we know.
I'm ready.
Now we have the answer. All right, let me show you this. So today, a pretty normal day for this time of the year. 62 is the normal. That's where we ended up this afternoon. 44, that was the low this morning. You see the clouds there in the background. It's 60 degrees right now. Dew points, it's low. It's pretty dry. So any rain that tries to move in here will take a little bit of time to get going, and it'll just start off with some light sprinkles and some light showers. That's all. Southeast winds at 14. You can see that here. The air is dry. It'll start to get a little bit more moist as we go through the next few hours, which will bring in the chance for rain later this evening. But in the meantime, it's just a couple sprinkles, if they're even reaching the ground in Tarrant and Denton counties. Some steadier showers and a couple rumbles of thunder out to the west of the Metroplex and Stephenville, and then areas south of Archer City. That is all moving to the east. So we'll have some hit and miss rain as we go through this evening, and it'll be in and out of here fairly quickly. So give it a few hours. We'll have a couple drops, shower, maybe a rumble of thunder here or there. This is not severe weather. It's in the 60s. The air is very dry too. So we'll have that rain chance through the overnight, just some sprinkles and light rain Saturday morning. Here comes our Arctic cold front. That's going to bring in the coldest air of the season. And when it moves through Saturday afternoon, this is 4 p.m., there's going to be a chance for some thunderstorms along this cold front. See how they start to pop up, especially southeast of the Metroplex. Can't rule out a gusty wind in one or two of those thunderstorms, but it's a really skinny line of thunderstorms that'll roll through very fast with that cold front. Will clear out very abruptly behind it throughout the day on Saturday. Sunday ends up being a dry but cooler day. About a tenth to a quarter of an inch of rain. That's what we're expecting with some higher totals southeast of the Metroplex between tonight and Saturday. Big drop in temps. 45 Sunday. These are the highs, by the way. Monday 43, Tuesday 48, 59 on Wednesday, and then Sunday morning lows will be around freezing for all of North Texas. The higher chance to see freezing temperatures north of I-20. 32 in Denton, 32 McKinney, 32 in Sherman, 30 in Bowie. You factor in the winds Sunday morning, we'll have wind chills in the low to mid 20s across all of North Texas. So really cold start to your Sunday. Travel, we got to talk about this because there's a big storm system moving through the Midwest on Saturday. That's going to bring some heavy snow from Des Moines to Chicago to Detroit, some snow into New England after that. Winter storm warnings in effect from Omaha over to Des Moines, the Quad Cities, over to Chicago and parts of Michigan as well. As we zoom in here and look at the snow totals, 2 to 5 inches of snow for Minneapolis. This is a problem. A lot of folks are trying to get home. Maybe you're not going straight to Chicago. Maybe you're not coming from Chicago, but flights go in and out of O'Hare and Midway, Minneapolis, Indianapolis, St. Louis. So this is going to cause a bit of a domino effect because some heavy snow is going to be falling in parts of the Midwest and then even into New England, 2 to 5 up into parts of Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, some higher totals in the higher elevations. A foot of snow from the lake effect bands in upstate New York. South of Buffalo, looks like Buffalo will miss out on the heaviest of this. 1 to 3 down toward Pittsburgh and Cleveland. So again, even if you're not traveling directly to those airports or you have people traveling from those airports, if you're trying to get home this weekend, there will be a domino effect because of all that heavy snow. 50 tonight, a cool night, windy at times with rain, scattered showers, a storm or two. Warmer, windy tomorrow, 69. 14-day forecast. So it gets cold Sunday. We'll have some clouds around throughout the day. Sunday, cloudy on Monday with some scattered rain. 43, that'll be a cold, raw day. Just some scattered showers with high temperatures only in the 40s. Coldest air of the season, Tuesday morning. That'll be our first freeze at DFW, 31 degrees. And then we'll go a little bit warmer next weekend with highs in the low 60s. It looks dry. And our next chance of rain after this Monday will be Thursday, December 4th. A chance for scattered rain with highs in the mid 50s.